Do you ever feel like there just aren't enough hours in the day? You're not alone. Many people lead incredibly busy lives, whether it's school, work, family, or other commitments. Finding time to study English can feel almost impossible. You might have the best intentions to learn English, but after a long day, it's hard to even up a textbook or app. But don't worry, today I'm going to share with you some simple tips to help you fit English learning into your busy schedule. The key to learning a language, even with a packed schedule, is time management. You don't need to dedicate hours each day. Just a little bit of focus and a good plan can go a long way. Let me show you how. The first thing to do is to be realistic. It's always tempting to set ambitious goals like studying for 5 hours a day, but let's be real, life happens. Instead, take a good look at your daily routine. Find small pockets of time you can dedicate to English. Even if it is just 15 to 20 minutes a few times a week, the most important thing is to be consistent than to overwhelm yourself with impossible goals. Next, make a plan. A plan helps you stay on track even when things get busy. To help you with that, you can ask yourself the following two questions. First, when can I realistically start? And next, what can I focus on in that time? It could be listening to an English podcast on your way to work or school, or watching a short video during lunch. The incredible thing is that every little bit adds up. And finally, follow the plan or adjust it. Once you've made your study plan, commit to it. Set reminders on your phone or tell a friend to help keep you accountable. But remember, if life gets in the way, it's okay to adjust your plan. The most important thing is that you are moving forward at your own pace. Studying English while balancing a busy life is tough, but it's definitely possible with the right approach. Small, consistent efforts will lead to progress over time, and before you know it, you will notice real improvement. So, whether you're squeezing in study time between meetings or practicing during your commute, remember, you are making progress. I hope these tips help you manage your time better and stay on track with your English learning goals. And if you have any time management strategies that work for you, let me know in the comments. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you in the next one.